Hello guys, this video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. Do you want to create viral content to engage with millions of people all over the social media link? Yes, this can be an opportunity for you because like these vegetable videos on different social media, we have seen also many growth account like 159 posts and cross 1.1 million followers. That crazy. And with a millions of views, we can also see different type of content. Even there are some pages that have posted just 90 posts and there are 800 plus followers. This is something that can engage and that can also create short while video that can give you source of income. And here we are going to share about that. You can also make your short with some brand deals. Yes, this can be something so for you. And now I'm going to show you some content.
Hi, I am okra. I grab cholesterol and remove it from your body.
Hi, I'm avocado. I'm one of the best fruits for lowering bad cholesterol. Hi, I'm garlic. I help protect your heart.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel Deep Sea Crypto. In today's video, we are going to share detail about the HeyGen that can turn your idea into videos you have seen already. I have attached a video in the starting of this content. There no camera, no preview, no team editing required. If you are new on my YouTube channel Deep Sea Crypto, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Because on this platform, you can create avatar, video avatar, and here is AI Studio, image to video. There's AI dubbing, live and face swap. Everything can be done on such a platform. Already there are millions of the content have been generated with the avatars and video have been translated using this HeyGen tool that work completely on the AI base. You can easily check out. There are also some more details how video AI agent working. When you come in this section, there you have to put the your prompt and then you can also choose the video, time length and scale, and after that you can easily proceed. Even there is also the other one is hyper-realistic avatar can be created. So here you can check about the AI Studio, where text-based video editor will be human and voice as well as audio dubbing can be done. So be ready to join because this is something really interesting when you are coming to find a text to video. Yes, there are also 42 video when you come here transform videos and you can also make some interesting content here. That can also be given you on the HeyGen and link in video description I have dropped. So you can easily check and start your creating best content that can engage millions of people attention. So here is also photo avatar public and digital twin. So there is AI video translator for any language. You want to choose English, German, Chinese and Spanish. Even there are multiple options near to 175 language and dialect. You can easily select here. And there are different tone. The best service can be created here using the agent tool. Their company VN have been already shared. In the development field, in the localization, people also all over the global level want to save their time and start their new epic journey. So HeyGen is going to helping you. If you want to join, you can create account. Now you can continue with the Google, with Apple, and there is also email account. So I'm going to using one Google account to continue and then HeyGen account will be creating. Now you can easily check out. Here you have to select where you have it. There are some questions. We are going to click on it. And after that, it will be submitted and this is also the report we have done. And here the next you can easily get the subscription plan where you will be given credit and you can make video on it. And this is something that I have found for you. So in this way you can easily check, and you can also become the member on this platform. Finally, a avatar English have been opened now. So if you have any question or query, you can ask in the comment box too. And start your new epic journey here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.